350 journalists in this center here asking us questions, and we had another 300 VIP guests, politicians, scientists, supporters, industry people, and so on. And as a PR office, when you try to calculate after 1 week of permanent phone calling and email exchange, we came up with something like 1,000 interviews coordinated in 1 week from our little 4 or 5 person PR team. When you work in marketing and communications, it's very important that you believe in the topics you're working on, and at least that's how I see it. And we have the chance, the privilege to work with topics like Europe flies to the red planet, to Mars, Europe flies to Venus. We also generally try to help European industry, high-tech industry, to become fit for the future. We try to make both large corporations and small companies competitive in a global environment. Really a large variety of absolutely exciting topics. One of the key challenges is really to be patient, to have a good sense for diplomacy, to be sure to involve all relevant and legitimate interface into a project, into the production of a press release. And at the same time, you also have to keep with the rhythm of the media outside of the non-governmental, non-institutional world. So it's this challenge between the rhythm of the media outside and the processes of a public organization that also works with taxpayer money, that also wants to involve all its delegations, the scientists and so on, and bring those two parts together. It's quite a challenge, but I mean, that's the way we work at ESOC. I'm not from the science and space affairs environment, I'm from Planet Media. So I have a background in political science and communications, intercultural communications. I also studied marketing and linguistics in Germany. Then I went to the United States. I went into journalism there, into political science, was at a journalism school there. After my German master's, I also added a French master's degree in European affairs. As a PR professional, you have a large variety of deliverables. On the one hand, you do press releases, web stories, you write Q&As, question and answer documents, you work on certain strategic documents, you prepare a lot of programs where you try to integrate the requirements of all involved parties. Can be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, up to 10 parties maybe being involved in an event. And you also produce support to media relations, sometimes photos, you help for videos, new video production, TV footage, help coordinate interviews for colleagues. Sometimes you do interviews also yourself. ESA, as a public organization working again with taxpayers' money, is much more careful in its communication and has probably more approval loops too than a private company would have. I've been working here with a lot of passion and really positive spirit since 10 years. I really believe in those core values I can see, I can face at ESA on a daily basis. It is the sky that is your limit.